Okay, Harvey the Silver Fox in our live training room, getting ready to produce another training video to help you build your business so you can make a full-time living with affiliate marketing, whatever affiliate marketing program you happen to be working. Now, what I like to say with all my videos at the beginning, I'll put a little disclaimer in there saying that chances are this video, what I'm teaching today, what I'm showing you today, may be out of date tomorrow, next week, next month. Nothing ever stays the same on the internet. Also, if you happen to be watching this video on YouTube, on the internet someplace, and you're not on this page here, or in fact, I'm going to place this video on this page here. Scroll down into the description of the video, and there's going to be a few links in there that you can get into this platform here, and you're going to be able to get into the training today. I'm talking about building a blog article on the Social Blast group. I'm going to show you how it goes viral. Anyway, I'm going to show you all that, teach you all that today. So chances are I'm going to place the link to this blog article from Social Blast in the description of this training video here. So when you do click through on that link in the description of this video, it's going to bring you to this page here. And you're going to be able to get into our live training room by clicking here. And there again, if you want to learn about affiliate marketing and our marketing techniques, Marty Bostic and I have been doing this for a couple of decades now each. And we have all kinds of free training, marketing techniques that you're going to learn. In fact, if you keep scrolling down here, of course, the first thing you want to do is watch this video here. But if you keep scrolling down here, this is the training for the Social Blast Club about how to make a blog, article, emails, etc., etc., etc. This is pretty detailed training. Marty gets into a lot of detail about how SEO marketing and about how the spiders work and why our Social Blast Club blogging platform is powerful and is shown everywhere on the internet. So you're going to want to watch this one here. This is a rather detailed training video. Now the video I'm going to make today, here's a short list of training videos on how I used Tone AI to build Social Blast Club blogs and emails found here. This is going to be the short version of this training up here. And I'm going to be talking about the Dill Pickle Balm. The Dill Pickle Balm today. I'm going to be talking about that. So with that said, let's get busy. Let's go over to the blog I just made this morning a couple hours ago. Look, it has 35 views already. And I made this blog. It's a unique blog. If you're going to go out there and make blogs, gang, you only can make one unique blog. And don't try copying this blog or the blog you make and place it someplace else on another blogging platform. Not going to work. The search engines, the spiders will then see that there's two blogs with the same content, and they'll stop searching, and they will ignore your blog. So first thing you want to do when you do land here is you want to click here, and I have all the training that you need right here, the Social Blast Club affiliate blog training. And I have a training technique here where you give away something free. What we're talking today is this Tone IA piece of software. It's a tool that has virtually everything that you need to make blogs. In fact, I made this blog. I created the content of this blog in 2 minutes using this tool here. This is what the back office looks like. Now you can create all kinds of unique content with this software here. I decided to use the email copywriter, but you can also use the blog writer. I mean, there's all kinds of tools back here. And all I did was plug in Amazon Dill, Pickle, Lip Balm, and it wrote these 3 email contents here. Like it took about 2 minutes, okay? And all I had to do now is come over here to my Social Blast Club, create a blog, and of course I need to put the title in here. I built my own image. You can use Photoshop to do this. But I went over to Amazon. Of course, this is an Amazon product. And I copied their image over there and made it fit the Social Blast blogging platform here. And of course, I typed in this content here, and I did this content here, typed this in, and then all I did was paste that content from Tone AI in here, and then I made it my own. I plugged in what I wanted to plug in here, which this is something I plugged in here. And of course, I'm talking about selling the pickle balm, right? So I got my referral link from Amazon, and I put it here. And then if somebody comes in here and buys a pickle balm, of course I get paid, all right? And then down here I put a PS underneath my my signature here. And of course this is where you would want to put any of your other affiliate offers here, which I put mine here. It's saying join us in the live training room, which takes you right back to where we started out at, right here. Okay. And then this is email copy number 2. This is some emails you'd send out to your list to get attention. Now, if you think you can't get attention by, say, Pucker Up Buttercup, okay, for your money-making opportunities, wherever they might be, you're sadly wrong, because like I said, so far, 35 views just on this one here. So this is my second email down here. Takes the link, my Amazon referral link is here. Of course, you want to put whatever you're selling on Amazon. You put your referral link here. And then the PS, now I happen to be promoting a Clickbank product here. And it's a related health product, you know. There it is. Somebody comes in here and buys that. Guess what? I make a commission. And then number 3, same goes here. This is the referral link for the Dill Pickle Balm, and then come down here. Here's another Clickbank product right there. And then I end up with, I'll be waiting for you in the live training room, which takes you back to the live training room. And before I leave, well, guess what I did? Before I leave, I put another Clickbank product referral link here. All right. So what I'm trying to say is you can build out all kinds of blogs, or you can use the Tone AI to build out and create email copy and program it the way, just an example. You can get creative and do it your own way, but this is the way I do it. And I'm actually doing a couple things here. I'm getting somebody's attention, right? And I'm trying to attract other affiliate marketers, right? Clickbank, Amazon marketing offers. And I'm trying to sell them a couple of my referral offers back here, which happens to be a Warrior Plus offer here, and of course, Tone AI here. And then at the same time, I'm trying to sell, of course, the Dill Pickle Balm from using my referral link here. And then if you come down here, I'm trying to sell a couple of my Clickbank offers here. This is just the way I put it together. Now, if you're just interested in promoting your Amazon offers and your Clickbank offers, well, you would use Tone AI to create this content here. You'd make a blog out of it, and or, of course, you would make email copy out of it to promote your money-making opportunities by using something eye-catching, something attraction getter like this. Pucker up, buttercup. Now, when you build your blog and get it finished, make sure you come up here and you share it to LinkedIn, Twitter, and Facebook. And I'm going to show you how I did it on my Facebook group. This is my Facebook group for Clickbank. And of course, I have about almost 15,000 members. And everybody that's joined this group wants to know about how to make money with Clickbank. Well, here we go. I came over here. I shared that post from my Social Blast Club over here in my Clickbank group. And of course, when somebody clicks on it here, it takes them to my Social Blast Club blog, right? Now, when they click on it, guess what? I get paid. Social Blast Club pays me. When somebody clicks on that blog article, someplace out there on the internet, such as Clickbank or Twitter or LinkedIn, and then what you want to do to get more clicks and get more exposure is come down here. And what's great about having your own Facebook group is you're not going to get in trouble for sharing it. You're not going to go to Facebook jail. I shouldn't say never, okay, because Facebook changes all the time. What you want to do is you want to come down here and you want to share it. I'm going to share it to one of my other Clickbank groups because I'm trying to attract Clickbank people, right? In fact, I even have an Amazon. Here's one of my others. This is one of mine. I have about 600 groups out here. Right there. And I'm going to share it to one of my Amazon groups that I have out there. Share. Of course, you can share it to your public group because everybody would be attracted to what the heck is Dill, Pickle, Balm. You know, what is that? And I'm going to go to my Amazon group. Yep, right here. I'm going to share it there. So when somebody clicks on this in any of those groups I've shared out there, I make money. And that's the reason it's so important when you create a Social Blast Club blog article, you come up here and you share it out there everywhere that you can. Because all those clicks, you make money. Okay, I'm going to wrap this up. You know what to do. There's a link down there to get into a live training room. If you decide to pick up Tone AI, of course, in the live training room, we'll help you and show you how that works. It's pretty easy to work, but it has a lot of features back there that are very powerful. But a lot of them I use is just the blogging and the email. Those are the features that I use virtually every day. So you know what to do. Harvey the Silver Fox here saying, I'll be waiting for you in the live trading room ready to help build your business.